Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Damlola. In this video I'll be showing you how to properly use your face wax cleanser so as to get the best of the best results. No whiteheads, no need for toner, no need for scrub, no need for face mask. Only your cleanser, you'll get 100% results. So stick around, don't go anywhere. Yeah. Hi guys, so this is face wax cleanser, and currently it turns out I haven't been using it the right way for how many years now? Maybe like 2 years and some more, because I've been using this cleanser for like a very long time. So this is face wax foaming cleanser for oily skin, and for those of you that are wondering how to check expiring dates, you will not see expiring dates on that here. If you see any face wax cleanser that has expiring dates on that here, please drop the bottle, it is fake. Because normally it should not show expiring dates on that here. It should not show expiring dates anywhere. As a matter of fact, you will not see expiring dates on it. What you will see is this, something like this. I hope you guys can see it, something like this. And this is written 12M. The 12M means 12 months, meaning from the date that you open this thing, when you bought it, like from the particular date that you open this thing to start using, to from that particular day, counting 12 months from that particular day. Like for example, let me give you guys an example. I opened this thing in January, and like a January date, a particular date in January, I start counting 12 months from that particular date. Does that make sense? So it will expire in 12 months from the day you open it. So if it's already open from where you got it from, please do not buy it. In one of my, I think I did 2 videos on how to identify fake versus original face spam products, so you can go ahead and check the video out. So let me show you what I was talking about the fact that I've been using the cleanser the wrong way. So first of all, wet your hand with water. Make sure your face is not dry. It's very, very important. Your face is not dry. Your face is not dry. And then apply the cleanser. This is it. Right, then here you go, you get this foamy consistency. Apply on your face, let it stay for like a while. Don't be in an hurry, take time to massage it into your face, especially for those of you that have oily skin. If you're using this cleanser, please, if you're using any cleanser at all, take your time. Your face is your baby, so it's your face they will see first before they see any other part of your body. So take care of your face. All right, so this cleanser has really helped me with whiteheads ever since I got to know how to properly use it. So once you do that, you see I am trying everything possible to remove any excess oil or dirt here. I usually have like sebum production going on around here, so I'm trying everything possible to bring them out. Same here, my nose area, under my eye area, then my forehead. Very important, do not ignore your forehead. Those of you that your face looks fair and your forehead looks darker, it is because you always ignore your forehead. So once you are done, you don't need to count. I used to count time before. I don't need to count. So your eye, your ear area, everywhere, you come back again and you do another layer. So why you're doing another layer is because once your cleanser goes into your skin, it opens your pores and brings out every excess dirt, excess oil, every sebum production going on. It brings it out of your face and then it cleans it. But sometimes there are residue, all right, there are residue on your face. So it's not going to remove everything. That's why some people try to like buy toner and start using cotton pad to remove the many residue of the dirt on their face. Once you do this, you don't even need to get a toner, except you just want to pamper your face and just get a toner. You don't even need a toner if you are going to do this. Trust me, if you do this, oh my god, the magic is exceptional. Your face, when you touch your face, the feeling is so amazing, guys. It feels so brand new, so clean. Oh my god, so clean. Oh, so as you can see, I'm taking my time to wash my face clean. When you go and do facials, this is what they do. They don't do more than these things. They do this like plenty times. Like they will use face wash, use face scrub, use but you do not need a face wash for this routine. Like, I mean, sorry, a face scrub rather. You don't even need a face scrub at all. I usually advise chemical exfoliants. And let me tell you something about chemical exfoliant, guys. Chemical exfoliants will remove your dirt from your skin and also make your skin brighter. Can you see my face? Tell me why my face will not look so clean. Can you guys see how my face is? I don't stop there. I use my bar soap for my face. So this particular soap, I just started using it. It's like very new in my routine. In one of my videos, guys, I'm going to show you I'm going to talk about this particular soap so you guys can understand what this soap entails. But I use this soap on my face as the last thing of my routine in the shower. Guys, tell me why my face will not look so nice. Tell me why. If you touch, see, I know you're not close to me, you're not seeing me, you're not here, you're seeing me but you are not with me, you cannot touch my face. But guys wait, tell me where that whiteheads wants to come from. Like, from this, like, how now? See me taking my time to give my face the best wash ever. So after doing all these things, I'm now gonna be using physical scrub on my face. As how? Like, why would I do that? I will not do that. Never. Guys, ever since I got to understand this, you guys can see my face. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. Can you guys see? Ever since I got to understand this routine, my skin has become so different. Like, the result is amazing and I'm so happy and I'm genuinely thankful to God that I'm able to find out this technique and it's really working for me. I hope it works for you. I want to get back into the shower and complete my bath. See you guys later. Bye. So guys, I hope that video was very, very helpful. You can use any face fact cleanser depending on your skin type. They have different kind of face fact cleanser. They have the one for oily skin, the one for dry skin. They have the one for those of you that have acne prone skin. They have different types, and if you don't want to use face fact, you can use any cleanser of your choice. But mind you, you don't actually have to even get a toner to get that amazing beautiful skin. You just need to have a cleanser in your routine and you are good to go. And you should not use a physical scrub on your face. Please, if you need me to recommend a chemical exfoliant for you, let me know in the comment below. I would definitely recommend a chemical exfoliant for you to use on your face. And mind you, chemical exfoliants are used twice or 3 times in a week depending on your skin type. All right, so that's all I have for you guys for now. Many more are to come. In my next video, guys, I'll be doing more of real content. When I mean real content, don't worry, you guys will get to know. So please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, turn on post notification, share this video to the world, and please tell me what you think about this particular content. Share your own thoughts on this. Let's know, let's have a conversation. All right, and please turn on post notifications so when my video pops up, you're the first person that gets to see it. All right, see you guys. Bye.